This video shows the manual for disassembling and assembling the camshaft of the M274 engine. Many owners of cars with a motor of this family complain of problems with starting, and the main reason may be the displacement of the impulse disc relative to the camshaft axis or chain stretching. Before disassembly and assembly, turn the crankshaft clockwise to the position indicated on the timing cover. Remove the valve cover and install the camshaft locking devices. After that, you can remove and install a new camshaft sprocket. After the procedure is completed, check the correct installation of the pulse discs through the viewing hole.